Go ahead, start again. And another fresh dry blanket for baby.
Is there another towel?
There's more behind you too, Andrea.
Here, I'm gonna need this one.
What do we do about the placenta?
Don't worry, I'll be watching.
You'll start to feel a little bit.
Yeah, let me know if you feel pushy or,
Okay, then
or
I
crampy.
just push it out or something.
Just let me know, yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys so much.
And baby can be bobbing her head, looking for the breast, and patting and sucking and licking. You can make her arms pat, because that's a really important part of the breastfeeding and the imprinting, is patting, licking, sucking, head bobbing. And then the baby will actually find the breast with your intuitive help, mother. The baby will find your breast with you intuitioning what the baby needs, okay?